4 ways to reset laptop to factory settings without password. Acer laptop. If you have Windows 7, 8, 8.1 or Windows 10 and need factory reset for Acer or want to factory reset from boot menu of the Windows, all of these methods are explained step by step. This method only requires an installation or repair disk of your Windows. You can use this technique for Windows 7, Windows 8 or 8.1. If you have lost your Windows key, just download an iOS format of the Windows and you are all set. 10 easy steps for Windows 7, 8, 8.1 to reset Acer laptop with installation or repair disk. Insert the installation or repair disk in your laptop. Choose the boot menu and go for the boot option with Windows. You will have a Windows setup on your screen. Click next to proceed. You will be given two options here: install a window in center or repair your computer. Choose click on the repair your computer in left bottom. On the next window, click on troubleshoot. Once you have done that, on the next screen, click on reset this PC. Click on the remove everything on following screen. Choose a target operating system Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10. Choose a drive where you have already installed the Windows. You will be given two options here: just remove my file and full clean the drive. Acer factory reset without a disk, can't log in on Windows 10. What are the options of Acer laptop to reset without a disk? Or how would you reset the Acer laptop having Windows 10? Don't worry, I have a solution for you. Follow these steps for Windows 10 for factory reset. First, download a tool that can create a password reset disk. Once you download it, set it up on another computer and burn it on a USB device. Insert the USB drive in your Acer laptop. Boot your laptop with the password reset disk. Once you have done that, choose the password remove option. Restart your laptop and you are good to go. Factory reset with simple keys, 5 second solution for Acer laptop. The most easy and quick way to factory reset your laptop if you don't have any installation or repair disk. Restart your laptop, press Alt plus F10 at once. Wait for the options to appear and choose boot option. Click on the troubleshoot option. You will get reset this PC and click it. Choose the remove everything and reset your PC. Once the PC restarts, wait for the Windows installation and complete. Complete restore system factory reset. Try this method when your laptop Acer doesn't start normally. It's a simple method for factory reset. Reset your laptop and press the Alt plus F10 at once. You will find a Windows screen showing restore. Click on restore. You will get three options on screen: restore system to factory default, restore Windows, reinstall drivers and application. Choose one of the option and the reset processing menu will appear on the screen. By choosing the option factory default will option will uninstall the complete software and application. Note: the above methods are not same for Windows 7, 8, 8.1 and 10, but these are the basic procedures carried for Acer laptops. If you don't have any recovery disk or installation disk, simply download it in iOS format or on a USB and insert in the laptop.